Will you fall on me and beg you again and again to believe me that I want you? You wanna cry, you cross your heart and hope to die. You ring that bell, shout, you yell, how you broke the spell. This is when we almost have a fit. This guy is scratching, I got hit. There's no mistake. It's nice and quiet, but soon again starts another big riot. You blow the fuse, sing down the sing, so what's the use? Wow! I'm falling in love. The sky keeps in, the devil gets loose. You blow, the fuse.
Frown, and the gravy train has left you behind. And when you're all out of hope, down at the end of your rope, and nobody's there to throw you a line, if you ever get so low that you don't know which way to go, come on and take a walk in my shoes. Never worry about a thing, got the world on a string, 'cause I've got the cure for all of my blues. And my troubles start melting away. I take a look at my enormous penis, and the happy times are coming to stay. I gotta sing and I dance when I glance in my pants, and the feeling's like a sunshiny day. Take a look at my enormous
Head roll, head roll, head roll. it up with Angela.
Give it up.
And I was like, oh my God, they're talking to me. I'm not cool, but they're so cool. But now we're friends, and we go to parties together, and we have sleepovers, and we braid each other's hair, and we make up dances. I don't know, gotta go, more to come. Love, Andra.
Ever since you told me, only I can hold it. I know so many women, it's like they're all the same. I am the type of breaking me, but I can live it to the limit and I love it. Now I can breathe again, baby, now I can breathe again. Now people screaming like the deal with you so. I tell them it's my niggas, but they don't hear me though. Cause I live my life to the limit and I love it. Now I can breathe again, baby, now I can breathe again.
Y'all can stop me now.
I think I want to be that chair when I grow up. Goodness gracious. Was that tantalizing enough for you, darlings? Oh yeah, did we warm you up? Are you ready to take a little more? But I guess I blow a different kind of horn. Coming up next, we have the one, the
hit the snooze on the news and the feel so overdue and pray for better days. Right there, right there. Now, LIB, I know that this year has had some shitty crap in it, am I right? Okay, and we're only in May, but you know what? It's okay because look around you at the sexiness and behold it. So, there's still a lot of great things to be grateful for. I need this side of the stage to tell me one thing that makes you happy place, happy place. And maybe with your ice cream, tangerine, lemonade, sexy dreams, listen to the waves. I go to my happy place, where I can find a better way, and baby we can hit the snooze on the news and the feel so overdue and pray for better days. So I hope tonight when you're feeling like I did, you got a lot to live for, LIB. I told you you'd get something to perk your life up a little. Thank you.
know yourself, honey. Just lose it. Just keep going and fucking lose it. There is no yourself. All right, darlings, we got more show coming up for you. You're ready to get some more entertainment? Great. Yes. Yes, thank you. Give it up for our lovely sound and lighting.
Yes.
The one and the only Bubbles from earlier.
Bubbles!
Once again.
Got milk, bitch, got beef, got steak, hoe, got cheese, great A-hole, now lean, got me A1, sauce please, these hoes got nothing on me, steaks high, need the same color green, cash register, ice cream, you a catfish, I'm a daughter, I ain't bothered, get slaughtered, got the methane, I'm a father. With my phone, McDonald's, and it feels real good, it's an honor. With the cheesesteak running that order, chicken cheese fries as a starter. Got the steroids keeping me stronger. Bitch, I'm a cow, bitch, I'm a cow. I'm not a cat, I don't say meow. Bitch, I'm a cow, bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow, bitch, I'm a cow. Moo, moo. I'm too smooth. I'm not in the mood. Tryna make moves. Tryna make moves. Bitch, I'm too smooth. I'm not in the mood. Tryna make moves. Tryna make moves. some E-I-O. Shitting on these bitches, everything I know. Tipping on the stick, I see the chickens and the pigs. They wanna catch us riding dirty with the fiends I know. I ain't a moose, bitch. Get out my head. Get out my head, bitch. Get out my head. I ain't a moose, bitch. Get out my head. Get out my head, bitch. Get out my head. I ain't a moose, bitch. Get out my head. Get out my head. Get out my head. I ain't a moose, bitch. Get out my head. Get out my head, bitch. Get out my head. Milkshake brings all the boys to the farm, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I treat you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the farm, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I treat you, but I have to charge.
What the fuck did I just watch?
That boy is a monster.
Help to put on this whole fucking shindig. God damn it, I can't handle chords. I believe they're ready. Please welcome the magnificent duet that may or may not be shown at our very own Serene. Come on, make some noise, Unicorn Palace! Good Lord.
Gentlemen, move. Somebody ring the alarm. A fire on the roof. Ring the alarm. Throw elbows. Ring the alarm. And I'm throwing 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 elbows.
Made my dues in the mood. Me and my girls gonna shake the room. You just didn't show your hand. Let's get dirty, that's the jam. I need that to get me off. Sweat until my clothes come off. It's explosive speakers are pumping. Still jumping, 6 in the morning. Table dancing, glasses of pressure. No questions, time for some action. But just love, down for a roll. So get my girls, get your boys, gonna make some noise. Get by the bit, wanna get dirty. It's about time that you came to start your party. Like triple double mark for body. Wanna get real naughty. Wanna get dirty. It's about time for my heat is up. Ladies, fellas, drop your cups. Body's hot, front to back. Move your ass, I like that. Side hip huggers, go for sure. Shake a little something on the floor. I need that. Carry off. Sweat until my clothes are off. Let's get open, cause of commotion. Still open, 8 in the morning. There's no stopping, we give it hot love. Hot rockin', everyone's talking. All you got, just hit the spot. My girls, get your boys, gonna make some noise. hands is the one. Keep it waking up, get up, get it up, yeah, that's what's up. Giving just what you love to the maximum. Uh-oh, here we go, here we go. Uh-oh, here we go, here we go.
But you know what? Thanks to my sweetheart, I've got a fucking margarita in my cup, and I'm a little bit tossed. And I heard a rumor. I heard a rumor that. Well, okay, all right. I heard she was gonna put you in the pussy. That's what I heard. The word on the street is he ain't gonna send you that email. I heard she's gonna put you in the pussy. I mean, that's just what I heard. But let me just. Give it up for Serena Zaza! Oh, my darling. Give it up again for Prince Ignatius and, of course, Bubbles back there. And Mr. Bubbles, running the lights and the sound. Thanks so much for coming to our variety show here at the Unicorn. We got Ghost Milk coming up, and we're going to shake our asses, baby. And we got another show coming up at 1:30 with some burlesque and shit. I'm gonna get naked. So if you want to come back, come on back, Kenny's. Thanks so much for being here with us.
Let's give it up for Daddy.